high here. If you look at the elevation between low tide and my floor, it's about 25 feet.
Well, I think the expectation they gave us was around 15 foot is the last I heard.
Yeah, they keep changing a little, but I pity the people in Tallahassee. I think they're going to have a big problem. I'm waiting to see the noon forecast and see how far off the coast it is when it passes here.
So are you worried about staying here when the storm's raging? How come?
No, I'm 87. Why should I worry about
We're
it?
going to go anyway.
Have a good one.
Yep, you take care.
Worried about what you might come back to?
Yeah. Yeah. Or what we don't come back to.
Yeah.
That'll be okay.
And you're leaving. What made you decide to leave?
Just a storm surge. You know, so.
Was there, like, is there a threshold that you have, or you just say hurricanes, we're out of here?
Yeah, mostly hurricanes. We're gonna,
Yeah.
we leave.
I think we stayed for one time.
Yeah, it's a
But,
tropical storm.
Yeah, it wasn't that bad. But this one, it depends on where it goes in.
Yeah, it depends on what side of it we're on. If we're on the east side, you know, then that's what pushes the water up. So that makes our decision easy. You know, if we're gonna have water here, then we're leaving.